So, a very good day to everyone. My name is Mitech Tharmaindran, and I am from College PERMATA at Pintar Negara. And today I'm going to be showing you my game, Eco Platform. So, Eco Platform is a game about collecting different types of recyclable material and recycling them to gather points. The more points you collect, the better it is, and you will win the game. Basically, the movement of my game is very simple. You use D to move right, A to move left, and W to jump. Your goal is to collect as much trash as you can, press the recycle button, and gather points. You can also lose your lives by falling in water or getting attacked by an enemy. Now, I'm going to show you a bit of gameplay of my game to help you understand even better. So as you can see, I've just collected some trash, and the way to recycle them is simply by clicking this recycle bin button over here and clicking recycle. You can also see that different types of items help you gain more points. As an example, aluminium helps you gain the most, which is 30 points. It's best to recycle as often as possible because every time you lose a life, the items that you have collected all go away and it's like you just wasted collecting them. Also, the recycle button has a cooldown timer which will range from 5 to 10 seconds. My game consists of two main levels, which is firstly the land level and second the ocean level. But each of it have many own sub-levels ranging from 4 to 7. Now I'm going to play the rest of my game to show you how it works. As you can see, I just fell in water, which means I had to restart all the way to the beginning. Alright, now we've reached the second level, which is ocean, and we have an enemy, which is a pufferfish. So you need to avoid getting hit by the pufferfish by either jumping over it. And if you get hit, you lose a life. As an example, I just lost a life. If you successfully manage to reach the end, this is the screen that you'll be greeted with. And if you lose, the game will just simply close, which means you need to try again. So now let's take a look at some of the code which I used in the making of this game. Alright, so my game was made using a game engine called Game Maker, and now I'm going to show you the code for the recycle button. So the code for the recycle button is basically if the button is clicked, then it sets the global recycle to false because it's already been clicked, which means you can't click it again because there's a cooldown. And this cooldown is checked using the alarm function, which works similarly to a wait function. Next is the code for the enemy object, which is the pufferfish in this case. And the code is very simple. Basically, it checks if the pufferfish is moving forward, and if it is, it changes the X position based on the move speed, which I set it to. And if it reaches its final position from the starting position, it makes a turn and it goes back to its original position. And since it's in the step event, this process will be repeated forever, over and over again. So, why did I make this game in the first place? Well, I decided to make this game to educate the younger generation about the sustainable development goals, as my game really relates to the sustainable development goals of life on land, life below water, and climate action. So I want to educate them in a more fun and exciting way. So next, what are the main problems I faced in the makings of this game? Well, firstly was the recycle button because I didn't really know how to use any form of wait function in GameMaker, but luckily I managed to learn it through the GameMaker manual and I was actually able to use the alarm function and it turned out to be more simple than I thought it would be. And for future improvements and what I would do if I had more time to make this game, I would definitely add more levels and more different types of SDGs. I would also improve the customization. So when like customers or future players play my game, they can customize their avatar to look more like them. And lastly, I would add more different types of trash for the player to collect. That's all from me. Thank you very much.